Okay, we're about to put this raised garden bed together for all you guys who love gardening. Okay, we got gloves. We got the boats, tools and all. Okay. As you can see, I have already potted like all the parts. This is actually for 2 garden bed. Okay, this is garden bed 1, this is garden bed 2. So I have the right amount of parts here. I got 3 of these. I got 2 of these. Okay, and then we got A's. That's 4 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 4 of these, 4 of these, and 4 of these. All right. Okay, are we ready? We're gonna start off with A. So with this, the letter A is gonna be on the inside. Okay, it's gonna be on the inside, like so. Let's just put this down like so. Okay, this is gonna go like this. Just so you know, we might fast forward this video a bit, like speed it up, I mean. there we have it. We have our garden bed number 1. Okay, so it's ready to be placed. There you go. Okay, see. Okay, now that we have garden number 1 assembled, then it's time for garden number 2. Okay, so I'm gonna put this right here. There you have it, guys. 2 garden beds, just about 15 to 20 minutes each. That's how long it took. So a total of about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. We post pretty much everything on this channel. We have comedy, we have vlogs coming up soon, and we have finance, technology. I mean, you name it, do it yourself. We have everything on this channel. I mean, I think we might be one of the few channels that does that on YouTube, because everybody's just so worried about the YouTube algorithm. I mean, if you're just doing one thing, just stick to it. But on this channel, we pretty much post videos about everything. So if you like comedy, if you like do-it-yourself unboxing videos, or about technology or whatever it may be, how-tos, vlogs, and finance, just please subscribe to this channel, and then activate the notification bell so that whenever we drop a video, you will be the first one to get it. All right, thank you guys for watching.